Hey, so there's a special ZonGuru coupon code and discount code available in the description for you, 20% off for any plan for life. So forever, you're going to have a discount that will help you save money, 20% off with the seller plan and with the researcher plan. So if you use the monthly billing, instead of paying $49 for the researcher, you're going to pay only $39, 20% off every month. And also, if you are going to use the seller plan, instead of paying $79 every month, you're going to pay only $63 every month forever. And if you use the annual billing, is going to be way cheaper. So instead of paying $948 for the seller, you only end up paying $470 billed annually, one time per year. And for the researcher plan, $278 instead of $588. The link is in the description. 20% off ZonGuru. Enjoy this cool offer. And also there's a tutorial that shows you how to use ZonGuru from A to Z. So a YouTube video about 1 hour for all the tools of ZonGuru. Check it out. I hope it helps you and I wish you a great day.